Hi, welcome to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the framework collection, right? So exploring the Java collection framework. So why go for the collections? Is a collection is an object that is stored and manipulate the object. Stored and manipulate the object. What are the interfaces? Collection is interface as the subset of interface. One is a queue, next one is a set, and next one is a list. List have the subset of interfaces, or a list have the subset of array list, linked list, and set, hash set, or tree set, tree map set is there, right? So I am going to discuss about the array list and linked list. And array list, why go for the array list? Array list mainly the purpose of retrieval function only. What's the main objectives of the array list? Array list, if you want to add the element, new element automatically added. That's why you go for the array list. So array list is a randomized retrieve the data. That's why you go for the array list, right? So a list of E is a element is a generic type. So furthermore, generic interfaces array list E generic classes, which is a implementation list of E. So on coding part is E is a type of variable type parameters. Public class array list implement the list, right? Private E is a declaration part. Private int a size. So boolean return data types is a boolean. If you are declare the one method in if you are is a return type is boolean, is a true or false. So return type is true. Public E get the data from the return the element. And next one is a public class array list implement the list money, private the money element data, private int size, public boolean add money 0, element data is a size plus plus equal to 0, return 2, get the element. And next, more than the list, so array list is a linked list or just two of the many classes comparing the Java collection framework JCF Java collection framework. Collection the object is maintained the refer to other object. What's a package are used java.utility package, interfaces, implementation, and algorithms. Say interfaces. What are the collection? Set, list, queue. It's a sorted set. Next one is a map, sorted map. It's a special functions cannot contain any duplicate element. Say explain of the contracts. So add removes contain size of iterated, add remove gets index of contain size iterator. Is a list interface is a collection interface, right? Next one is a set interface. Add remove contain same thing. And next one is a sorted set, add remove contain size of iterator first and last. And java.utility.iterator, think about the typical usage of scenario of for collection retrieve the list of all the patient, search for the lowest price item. More often that not, you would have to traverse every element in the collection, be the list and comma set or your own data structure. Iterator provides the generic way to traverse through the collection regardless of the implementations. Regardless of the implementations. So ordered is input. What is the input? Is unordered element is ordered. That's you can get the element as a search and retrieve. That's why using the iterator. And using on the iterators, what are the code are used? The iterator item id it is an object. It is object. That's why the iterator is class item dot iterator. While hash next, you can get the another element from the list item it dot next. So it is object dot next element. You can get the data. It's a system dot out dot println item dot get title, right? And next one is java.lang data iterable. Says for is a iterable means you have to list out the element using the iterable, while it has the iterator item create the object, and items periodically stored some element, that's why using the item. It's the same thing for item is the object, so you colon item system dot out dot println simply is called, right? This is why that item it has next element is next is small little bit is compared with the iterable is code is little bit variations, right? This is called the for each statement for each item in item. This possible as long as the item for the type iterable collection, and hence all the sub interfaces implement the iterable. You cannot do this to your own implementation iterable too, right? So iterable is a collection, my bag, and set and list. Next one is java.utility.collections collection sorting. So offer many very useful for utility to algorithm for manipulating and creating the collections. Sorted list, index searching, finding the minimum maximum, reversing element of the list, swapping the element of the list, replacing the element of the list. Other nifty tricks, save, have the implementation, them yourself, reuse. So collection dot sort, right? Unordered element to be sorted the ordered element. To sort method, sort is a given list according to either natural ordering the element, external define the ordering. So public starting t extend the comparable super t void sort list of t list, public static t void sort list t list comparator super t, right? So generic interface is a single method into compare to is a return 0 and any positive integer, any negative integer. Implement this interface to define the natural ordering and the object type. Public class money implement the comparable money, right? You have to compare to one object to another object, that's why using the comparable. And natural ordering the sorting, if you add the item, can sort the items, unordered element is sorted, right? Or it's output shown, right? This is output, show it. And comparator usable type of the sorted is not comparable, is alternative the ordering. So also the generic interface define the method compare to arguments. It's the same thing, get price and symmetric set. The coding port is a public class price comparator. Implement the comparator cd and public int compare cd c1 cd c2 two argument pause return c1 dot get price dot compare to cd to c2 dot get price. Comparator sorting, right? So add the element and sort it. So sorted in order element and ordered, right? This is a sorting process. And next set is main objectives. Cannot access the duplicate element. Add the x, add the b. So add the b is not possible. Already is b is available. That's why cannot accept it. So add remove content. It's empty size iterator. So first and last. A set is a true and false. It's a possibility to do this activities contains true or false. Is contains means or available or not available. And next one is empty, is false or true. So have the some 5 element, that's why the true. Hash set, so typically implement the set hash implemented using the hash map. So parameter set, you parameter the list efficient to contain constant time, insert and remove the contain the check all done through hashing. X and y are duplicates if x dot equals y. However, the element is ordered. So add the elements tree set, sorted set. If you want to on order set, use on the implementation on ordered set tree set. What's up the trees? Red black tree. Red black tree is guaranteed that all the elements ordered set at all the time. Add and remove the preceding the condition. Iterator always return the element the specified order. Two way of the specifying the order, ensuring the element have the natural ordering the comparable. Give the comparator And next one, a tree set construction. Tree, if you cannot accept some order to form the tree structure, cannot accept the duplicate element. So set string word is a new tree set string word dot add bat word dot add ant word dot add crafts string word system dot out dot println word. But set cd album new tree set cd new price comparator album dot add new cd street sings and create some argument or positive and print the statements. That's it. So what's the output? This is shown the output, this is shown the code output. Map is a k and v. So strong mapping from unique key type k to value type v. C can more than one type of parameter positive, but the object key is index or direct string. So some key values are using the add put the values. This is the interface map put get remove size and key set values, and sorted map first key last key and put the values, remove the element. And tree map set is a guarantee order of the keys like the tree set values return the unknown the collection ordering depending upon the order of the key. Tree map put the value and look what's the output shown. This a tree map with the comparators, comparison with the alternative order, heading put any given argument is positive and take the coding is iterable and take the print the values order. But it's a collection set list queue. This is the interface, right? Map, sorted map, tree map, hash map, right? And next one is a hash set, linked set, so sorted set, tree set, vector, array list, linked list. The interface. Like, okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. We will meet next video. Bye bye.